How to transfer Bitcoin to a hardware wallet, beginner friendly. Hey everyone, if you're holding Bitcoin and want to make sure that it's truly safe from hackers, scams, and online vulnerabilities, you need to store it in a hardware wallet. In this beginner friendly video, I'll walk you through exactly on how you can transfer Bitcoin to a hardware wallet step by step. Even if this is your first time doing it, it's going to be easy. Before we head over into our tutorial, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is what is a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is a physical device, like a USB that stores your crypto offline. Think of it like your bank vault. It's disconnected from the internet, so your private keys are nearly impossible to steal. Two popular ones are Ledger and Trezor. Now, this wallet stores your private keys securely and signs transactions internally, which means that the key never touches the internet. Now, another popular wallet out there is Tangem wallet. So, why do you want to transfer Bitcoin to a hardware wallet? Basically, if your Bitcoin is on an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, it's technically not under your full control. Exchanges can freeze accounts or get hacked. Basically, by moving your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet, you own the keys. And if you've heard about the phrase, not your keys, not your crypto, this is what that means. It's the most secure long-term storage option. From there, let's talk about the things that you need to do before you proceed. Here's what you need to do before you start. Basically, the first thing that you need is your hardware wallet. It could be your Ledger wallet, Trezor, Tangem wallet, and more. Basically, you need the Tangem wallets or the wallet's official software like the Ledger Live, the Trezor Suite, or the Tangem application. You can go ahead and access or have access to your crypto exchange account like on Coinbase, Binance, and etc. In our case, we are going to be focusing more on Coinbase right here. And of course, you need some Bitcoin to go ahead and transfer to your account. So basically, the first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and set up your hardware wallet. If you're using something like a Tangem wallet, all you have to do is to basically scan the NFC from the back of your phone and onto the card right here. And from there, the application will automatically create an wallet for that specific hardware wallet. You can also go ahead and also do this from other services as well on Trezor and Ledger. Basically, you want to unbox your wallet and plug it into your computer or your phone. You just want to follow the on-screen instructions to initialize it, and from there you will then be asked to create your PIN code. Most importantly, you want to write down your recovery phrase, if there is one, usually 12 to 24 words. This is the only way to go ahead and recover your funds if you lose the wallet, so never store it online. From there, let's go ahead and talk about on how you can get your Bitcoins receiving address. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the hardware's application right here. Once again, it could be the Ledger Live, the Tangem application, or the other one. It will basically look all the same, something like this one. In our case, we are going to be using the Tangem application as an example. So basically, you just want to head over to your wallet right here. Click on crypto, and then you want to select the crypto that you want to transfer to your hardware wallet or to your hardware wallet. And from here, you just want to click on the receive button, and you will basically receive the address through the hardware wallet right here. All you have to do is to navigate through your account that has your Binance, and once inside, you just want to click on the My Assets button, click on Bitcoin, and from here you then want to click on the Send Crypto. After clicking on the Send Crypto, you just want to paste the address that you got from your hardware wallet, and from there you will be able to successfully send your Bitcoin to the hardware wallet. So that's how easy it is to go ahead and send your balance through the hardware wallet. Now on other wallets out there, you must go ahead and confirm the transaction by navigating through the application entering your PIN code once more, and from there you will be able to successfully make the transfer. From there, once again, you just want to go ahead and wait for the confirmation. Basically, once you have sent your Bitcoin, you can just go ahead and wait for the pending message. Now, this might take around 10 to 60 minutes depending on the network load. You can monitor it through a block explorer like blockchain.com by simply entering your wallet address. It will simply look something like this, where you just have to enter your crypto address, and from there you will be able to go ahead and track your transaction. After making sure that it's successful, you just have to wait for the transaction to finish. Now let's navigate through the double checking and some final safety tips. Basically, you want to confirm your Bitcoin balance in your hardware wallet application once you have received the confirmation. You never want to share your private keys or recovery phrases to anyone that you know. You want to store the recovery phrases offline in multiple secure places. Now, on other services like the Tangem wallet right here, you won't be able to go ahead and get a recovery phrase. Basically, all you have to recover your account is a backup card. If you lose all of that card, you won't be able to go ahead and recover your account. So you want to make sure that you store each card in a safe place. You always want to download the software from the official sources like Google Play Store, the Apple's iOS App Store. And lastly, you always want to update your device to make sure that it has the latest security systems. Now, that's basically everything you need to know about transferring your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet. Once again, these steps can go ahead and differ for every wallet out there. You just want to make sure that you are inside the right application like the Trezor suite, the Tangem application, and more. And before you go ahead and transfer your assets, you also want to go ahead and test or send a little bit of Bitcoin before you commit to a big transfer, minimizing our risk of mistakes. And so that's everything you need to know. You have successfully transferred your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet, one of the most safest moves that you can go ahead and make in your crypto journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see a tutorial for a specific hardware wallet. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so you can just go ahead and check them out. I'll make sure to see you on the next video. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.